So you can see everything is in a mess here. Yeah, everything is in a mess. So that's water that I want to wipe the TV stand and the chairs before I start mopping. And then yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Then these are just my ring lights over here, guys. You can see things are each and everything is everywhere. So the carpet is not here, it's outside, but we are going to bring it. So let's do this. Hello, what's up everybody? Hope you're all doing good. So it's morning, it's 7 guys, and I've not slept. I have not slept. You can look even at my eyes. I'm so sleepy, by the way, but I have to do this. So the reason why I have not slept, I was cooking. Oh my god, it has been a long night. Yeah, so I was preparing chapatis, I prepared githeri. So my sister is coming back and I asked her what she misses a lot and she just said your chapatis, and I was like, oh no. I wish I could not have asked, but at least I asked to know what she misses the most, because it's been long since she was in Kenya. So I just wanted to know what she misses. At least when I prepare, I'll be like, I know she'll be okay with this. So she just told me, I miss your chapatis. Oh my god. And I was like, no, sister, you didn't have to say that. You could have said something else. Yo, so I hate to do that just because I love her. I know maybe you're saying you're lying, Carol. Show us the chapatis. I'm going to show you just in a few minutes that I have really prepared them. So right now I want to prepare the sitting room. I want to clean my sitting room. I'm done with the other rooms. Of course, I could not have shown you guys. It's night, people are still sleeping. I've told you just 7. Yeah, 7:11. So I could not have disturbed anyone there with the lights on. Yeah, so I hate to do it silently, then to show you the sitting room. Yeah, so let's do this, and I hope that you are going to enjoy this. Let's welcome her home in style. I hope you're happy with me, guys. Don't mind my hair. There's me. So don't mind me. Yeah, so let's do the cleaning. Those are my ring lights. So guys, anytime that I'm doing thorough cleaning, yeah, I have to use this kind of mop because it cleans very well. I believe in it compared to the mopper, so this one is a duster. So I prefer using a duster when doing thorough cleaning compared to the mopper. And another reason why I'm also using this one, my mopper, I don't know if you know those, so that part that is supposed to mop down, those pieces just dropped, yeah, and I've not like repaired it, so that is another reason I'm still using this kind of duster. So don't come for me in the comment section, Carol, why are you doing that? I know, but I'm used to it. So next time I think I'm going to repair my mopper very soon, because it's just repairing it was still new, guys. So yeah. So guys, here's the carpet, but I have to put it outside. It was at the balcony. I want to put it here in front of the balcony. At least here, the sun usually comes there earlier. So when we'll be getting out, that's when I'll put the carpet down. Hello, I'm here to tell you about joining our membership, or is it my membership? Yes, feel free to click that join on this video. Down the video, down the heading, you'll see a sign that says join. It's as low as $1. So feel free to join our membership, be part of us. Let's grow together. That's another way of appreciating my work. Who am I to say no? Yes, so feel free. I love you so much, and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like if you have not. Don't forget to share, comment. I love you so much. Let's continue watching this video as we are almost to the end of it, and I'm going to reveal something at the end of this video. So the reason why this chair is not up to the wall, I'm using that socket, the socket just behind it. So let me open the windows because it's all ready. Guys, here are my chapatis. See, wow, very soft. Very soft, you see. Yeah, they're sweating. This one was on top, so I've told you I've prepared a lot of chapatis. Here they are. Then we have vegetables, because she also wanted some greens. My camera is bad, guys, don't worry. Then I have githeri, mixture of maize and green peas. It is, yes. And my sink is clean. Everything is clean, so let's wait for her. So we finally made it to the airport, and if you have not watched this video on how we received her from the airport, kindly go and watch the previous video before this one. Oh my god, it was so emotional. So I really appreciate your support, guys, and I do love you so much. Thank you for watching this till and kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to join our membership. So go to our previous video and watch how we received her from the airport. Thank you so much for your love. I love you so much. This was so emotional. Oh my god. So bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you.